Ayan, for today's video, kay nag-crave na sad ko. O diba, nag-crave na sad. So, let's cook adobong pusit. Actually, di pa ko marunong talagang magluto, o diba? Basta magpalaban lang yun ta ni YouTube for today's video for our cooking, o diba? And our pusit is already cleaned by me, of course. Bitaw, nagpataka na kog limpyo, but nag-YouTube ko, giunsan ako, og unsaon siya, pagtarong og limpyo. So, ana. And then, our mga sangkap, already chopped. So, ayan. Meron tayong calamansi, garlic, onion, ginger, tomato, and the chili. Because I love spicy. So, ayan. Okay. So, let's hot the pan. O, diba? My cooking serye. Feeling kamao mo luto serye. Part 2, which is the adobong pusit. Ayan. And then, let's put oil. Let's put oil. Bitaw, laban na juta diring dapita. Kay weekend lang ta makaluto. Kay busy sa work, Monday to Friday. So, usually, Sunday radyo ko makaluto. Sometimes, Saturday. And then, let's put the garlic. Ayan, with lots of garlic. Lami siya, pagdaghan kay siya garlic. And then, I also have the garlic powder. Lalagyan natin siya mamaya. Ayan. O, diba? And then, our onion. The onion. O, diba? And let's put lemon or calamansi pala sa ating pusit. O, diba? And the tomato. And ginger as well. And let's put na our pusit. Ayan. Super yummy. And let's close. Let's put ginger, pepper, and the bay leaves. Ayan. More and more. And cover. And hayaan lang po natin siyang magtubig and let's cook for 20 minutes hanggang lumabot yung ating pusit. Let's put vinegar. Ayan. And let's put our soy sauce. And hayaan natin siyang lumambot. Let's put a little salt and then our magic sarap. So, ayan. To make it yummy. And And then, let's put our chili. Wow! It's so anghang. I love it. O, diba? And it's already cooked. And let's serve it in a bit. Ayan, thanks for watching, everyone.